Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jakey.
Wow. Tornado, I see a tornado.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Yari.
We're going to our first attraction of the day.
First attraction of the day, a little waterfall. On our way to Mammoth. Second attraction of the day is the Mammoth Hot Springs. Quit ignoring me.
She's gonna die here.
Guys.
Mammoth was a little bit of a dud. We're still here, but all of the little hot springs are not very active right now.
Look, they're all dry.
That's,
Like one steaming.
there's only a couple that are colorful and pretty. So we're gonna go somewhere else today, and we're also gonna get ice cream.
I think last time I went there, we could check them.
Let's go
around.
See that balcony?
Let's go pet
It's in those bushes.
You see it, guys?
Right in those bushes. It's right there, the balcony.
Let's go pet it.
Do you see
Are
it?
you guys good?
Look in my camera. See that balcony? It's right there. Oh.
Guys, let's go pet it.
Go pet it, Jar Jar. Okay, we saw a bear. You guys good? Nice, but at least we saw a bear.
Yari and Jake just saw their first ever bear.
Yeah.
There's the Yellowstone River.
The Yellowstone River.
Alright, there's no one. There's no one coming that way or that way. It sounds like Grizzly River Run, doesn't it?
After our hike and seeing the waterfall, we just saw a little baby black bear in a tree. That was cool. What did you think of it, Jake? I made him sleepy because the bear was sleeping. Right? What did you think of the bear? Tell me.
Don't tell me.
Look at these idiots.
Okay. Oh.
We're gonna stand right on the road. This is crazy to see the cycle of life.
Look at all the little baby trees.
Those trees gave their lives so that these trees could live.
We got a shady spot. Woo-hoo. We're going on the Norris Geysers. Whoop! Hi, Ari. We're not going on the geysers. We're going next to them. Oh, it would be a very bad idea.
Look at the boiling water, guys. That's right.
I feel like I'm on some Star Wars planet.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know what kind of it.
Look at that water boiling over there. Who is it? Oh, look at him.
Well, Daddy, it smells bad.
It's gonna smell like that with your hand on your face or not.
Well, maybe not. Maybe they'll just smell their fingers.
Not if you breathe through your
Which is
mouth.
even worse.
Okay, you guys ready? Right on the side of the road. Looks like right there. Any slight noise might take them. Listen to it. Right there.
Scary. What is that stupid guy doing?
They wouldn't touch down the water.
This is the mud volcano.
Jake,
Just
no.
keep on. That's his bottom of mine. Just keep on.
Jake, it's not
Okay.
safe.
Yellowstone.
It's not safe.
Surface below us.
So the thermal features, I talked about this being a thermal basin. The thermal features are still here. It's just not up where we're standing. They're back in the
Do you see it, Jake? Yeah. It's crazy. That's so cool.
But that running across the road, that's like,
Yeah.
you're not going to see that very often.
No.
You can come to Yellowstone 18,000 times and you might only see it like once.
I don't know if I've seen that before or not.
Maybe it's not that unusual.
No, it is, but it's pretty unusual.
We just saw a bear run across the road in front of us. And then go on to the side. And now we are
I kind of remember that, but
going to the Yellowstone Falls or whatever it's called.
Yeah, that was awesome. That just made my whole day. I live on that side of the United States. Right here.
the Ring of Fire.
Yeah. That's all the
Volcanoes. I didn't know there
volcanoes.
were volcanoes over here.
You know what?
There are volcanoes over here.
I didn't know that.
Do you recognize the little birdie, Ari?
Who is it?
That looks like a small one. You want peanut butter on this one?
No.
Okay, we're gonna have to do one on
It's
one.
an eagle.
A bald
Daddy,
eagle.
can you put this on?
Look at that.
That was awesome.
Well, that's cool. That's the middle of it.
Still there. Oh, I like seeing his wings like on the bottom like that.
Okay, I'll get it ready.
He'll fly over us.
Maybe we should.
Light it, it explodes.
Yeah, you didn't want peanut butter?
No.
Hi, Jake.
Do you like them better that way?
I like the peanut butter. But I just like the chocolate.
Today we went to the canyon.
Oh, yeah.
It was really cool.
That was amazing.
Uh-huh. And then
Saw a bear.
we saw a bear
Close up.
about 30 feet away running right across the street.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
And then watched it for a little while.
Then the Waterfalls, the Grand Canyon, the Yellowstone was spectacular.
Uh-huh.
We saw like 6 different views of it. And
Yeah.
every single view was just magical.
Yeah. And then we went to the shops. Went to the the museum thingy, and then went home, had a fire, and now we're getting ready to go to the amphitheater. Amphitheater. To the show in the Yellowstone.
That's like a dog thing.
It's the amphitheater show. Amphitheater. Why do I keep saying that? We just got handed these little pins. There
It's
we
a
go.
dingo.
It's a dingo. This thing is a wolf.
If, for those of you that have just shown up, I do have a mountain lion helper here if you want to go pet the kitty.
You can go pet the kitty?
One opportunity.
When you're like from North Dakota, there's like now almost no mosquitoes compared to what that's like.
Yeah. Smile, Daddy.
Tell her to start it.
We're at the amphitheater.
Yep.
Usually I
Listen
make
to
them
corny
right
jokes.
away, but it rained this morning.
On this little hill made from sawdust that's being made by these little ants that are carefully like putting each little piece of sawdust down there so that they can make their little home.
See, I don't even remember this. There's like waterfalls everywhere.
Oh, cute.
Look at it. Even Yari's smiling. That's all we had to do.
Got ice cream.
You would think they'd have to be using the same.
Oh.
The same
Really
ice cream.
close up of you eating.
You think that all of them should use the same ice cream? But why don't they not have chip? Chip is like one of the most famous. Wax on, wax off. You gotta protect your head. You gotta protect your head.
There's those faithful. It's July 9th, 2018. How was your day, Yari? Hey, Yari, what was the best part of your day?
Good. Petting a dog.
What was it called?
A Shiba Inu.
You gotta talk louder, otherwise I
A
can't hear.
Shiba Inu.
And what was the other favorite part?
Ice cream.
While watching Old Faithful. Hey, Yari, what just happened?
She said there's no
Hey,
more
I gotta go.
marshmallows,
I gotta
but
go get
we
the
have more marshmallows.
20% more marshmallows. I'm pretty sure there's nothing on this bed. I didn't put anything on there. Packing away the camper. What's the date? July 10th?
July 10th, 2018.
2018.
Tuesday at that.
This is gonna be it.
Yep. I hugged this tree,
We'll have to remember the spot.
and then I got sap on me when I was saying goodbye to Yellowstone.
F228. F228.
Bye,
It
Yellowstone.
is a good
And
spot.
it's like the mountains.
Love
It looks
you.
like you're just in the forest, even though there's people down there.
Yep. Love you, bird.
I love you, bird.
Yellowstone.
I'll see you later.
The bird in the tree.
No, but after Disneyland
Off to Disneyland!
and the beach.
Which is the opposite of being away from